This video is for educational purposes only. Uploading it in any social media platform is not allowed. Our topic for this week is all about collocations. Let us have our lesson objectives first. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to identify collocations used in a selection, understand the correct use of spatial pattern, and arrange statements in the order that they appear using spatial pattern. What is collocation? It is composed of two or more words that often go together. So, kayo siya nga mga words, na iduha ka words, nga lahi og meaning, but if you are going to combine it together, mag-create siya og new meaning. Okay, in combining words, be sure na fit pud sila together. Dapat, bagay silang duha. Okay, we have here an example. The adjective noun, the adjective word, and the noun word combine it together to create new meaning, and verb plus noun. So we have here breakfast, heavy traffic, taker, powerful engine, make money, serve tea, order food, make bed. So these are the example of collocations. Diba? As you can see, lahi-lahi siya nga word, but maka-create siya og new meaning. Why we are using collocation? So there are words nga pwede ni ma-collocate na apoy dili. For example, class, you are going to describe a tea. Mayingon kag powerful tea. Oh, that's not a good collocation. So you are going to collocate strong tea, strong coffee. Instead of high tree, you're going to say tall tree. Heavy rain instead of weighty rain. Rich taste instead of deep taste. Big mistake instead of large mistake. Great fun instead of big fun. Sweet dreams instead of nice dreams. Why we need to study collocation? Studyhan man yun na to ang collocation class. Is it important? Yes, it is because it will help you develop your vocabulary word in fitting or combining other words. And you are going to understand how to use it in a sentence. Okay? And then, if you will be invited as a speaker or a writer, your words will go or sound natural. We have here the other kind of collocation. It is called the spatial pattern of organization. It puts the information according to how things will fit together in physical space, like where one thing is in relation to another. So, kani siya nga pattern, spatial pattern is describing places and objects nga garelay in each other, nga gauban per me. Unsaon mo pag-describe? Usually, class, kani siya, magamit ni siya sa mga topics nga ga-involve og geography. For example, how you are going to describe the parts of volcanoes. Ingana. So, we have here examples of signal words. Like, next to, behind, across from, below that, above that, to the right of, just to the right, a little further on, to the south of, a due feet, behind turning left on. So, yung nga na ako mag-describe ka, okay? Sa mga things. For example, you are going to describe your classroom, your kitchen, unsa ang mga things nga naa dito. We have an example here. You are going to arrange the following in order that they should appear according to the spatial patterns of organization. So, kaning mga words diri class is nakarumble ni siya. So, you are going to arrange. Okay, we have here the Earth's crust. So, ato ang i-describe. So, na yung mga phrases diri. The next lower section is a mass of melted rock, which is called the outer core. The top layer of the Earth is a rocky skin called crust. At the center of the Earth is a solid mass called the inner core. Beneath the crust is a thick layer of a rock called mantle. So as you can observe, naatay mga special pattern of organization. Just like this. Next, lower. Okay, top layer at the center, beneath the. So those are example of spatial pattern. So mas dali na to masabtan ug malocate kung gayus ta og spatial pattern. So we are going to arrange these phrases according to its organization. So kaya ang una man nato diri, ang una is ang crust, sunod ang mantle, next ang outer core, next is ang inner core. So ato hang i-arrange. So dapat ang first is the crust. Ing ani ang ihang arrangement. The top layer of the earth is a rocky skin called crust. Tama, right? Next is, beneath the crust is a thick layer of rock called mantle. Correct. The next lower section is a mass of a melted rock, which is called the outer core. Right here. Yeah, that's right. At the corner of the earth is a solid mass called the inner core. Okay, so the way we describe is organized and dali na to masabtan and malocate. So that is the importance of using spatial pattern of organization. Activity time. What you are going to do. So in a short bond paper, make a description of your study room. So teacher, wala mo ko study room. Sa sala ra man ko gabuhat. So kana pud ang imuhang imbuhatan og description. Or sa imuhang kwarto ba, or sa sala, or sa kusina. So kung asa ka ga-study, asa ni mo ginabuhat imo ang activities, then mauna imuhang buhatan og description using the spatial pattern of organization. So magamit ka atong beside the, beneath the, under the table, manyana at the table. So you are going to use signal words to present your description. Mao imuhang buhatan ha. And then draw your study room the way you are to describe it. So, kung giunsa nimo pag-describe, imuha po ng drawingon. Okay. Dapat magkatugma ang imong description sa imuhang drawing. So, your activity will serve also as your prelim exam. Third prelim exam. So, you are going to pass it on February 7, 2022. So, tsadahon ninyo pag-drawing, tsadahon pag-describe, kay serve na as your exam. Points, that is 30 points. Creativity, 10 points. Description, 15 points. Then, organization, 5 points. Okay, thank you and God bless.